paint on it, that's why.
What?
Screwdriver.
Huh?
Screwdriver. On the edge. Back in that slot. You went in there before. You won't now. Ow!
You enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah, it's great fun.
And here we have Damien now. Can you move your left, please? Gotta get the camera right.
So I'm going to attach it to there.
No, where's the ring?
There.
It's still on the pipe.
Yeah.
You take the red thing out, the plug out. Make sure there's no water coming through the sink. Go as far, get on the shove it on as far as you can.
I can't get it on any further. Unless you want to try. Get a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
You don't even your ring for it.
I know. That is the rescue. My pipe is weak.
Oh. Screwdriver.
Was it Phillips?
Is it?
On the by the sink.
No. How the fuck? Dude. Well, let me fucking know. Go action, man.
I nodded.
All right. Retake it. Wait.
Hmm.
I am. It's rolling.
Yeah.
Right. I am here today on a great day of yuck day. Yuck day. My son now has a washing machine.
I had a washing machine before.
It
just wasn't.
No, it's back in it. Is it? It's what plugged in. It's done. Sorted. What?
Right.
Take two.
Right. So basically, you just shouted down the microphone.
Yeah.
The washing machine is done.
How do you feel about that, my son?
Excited, but the only problem is I have to get washing powder.
And sorted.
Yeah.
That's it. That's your speech.
Yeah.
Well, that's fucking pathetic. You've got a bit more emotion in it.
That's that better.
Oh. Hang on. Take 3.
What spin does that have to be on?
How the fucking knows your machine?
I'll put it on the 7.
Oh, this is fun. Ooh, it's come to life. Run. Ah, that's it. You exploded. Stick your head down there, girl. Well done, dude. Make a good block. That pipe out fell off, is it?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, got a full moon in as well.
Yeah. Right in the face.
Oh yeah, mate, you stiff your crack. Whoop, that's on video. Yeah.
Why did it turn around?
You have to fill the water first, then you start to start.
Mine was in that automatic.
That one, it's the first time it's being used, so you know.
So it's mine. It does not a timer.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's spinning.
working.
Yep.